on the floor, he was very good, able to dominate the other.
Campo hurries that three. Mahamdin Mix. Randy Dill. Slow-mo drive.
And before we start the second half, we would like to ask everyone to please focus your attention on our Jumbotron as we pay tribute to one of the best power forwards to have played in the PBA.
Katrops, ingit talaga ako sa mga nickname nyo eh. Doubler, Babyface Assassin. Kelly, Machine Gun Kelly. Ako, RDO. Initials ko lang yun eh.
FedEx chooses as the number 4 pick in the first round. Candidate number 12, Ranidel Beltrampo.
Nakuha bilang 4th pick overall sa 2004 PBA draft. Agad, nag-deliver para sa Air 21 franchise.
16 years old tayo, no? 17, magkakasama na tayo, magkakalaban, magkakasama sa RP Youth dating. Dami na natin pinagsamahan. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo, Tol, na maraming salamat na naging kaibigan kita. Naging part ka ng buhay ko, naging part ka sa journey ng basketball ko. Maraming salamat.
Hello, Toy! Yan, congratulations sa jersey retirement mo dyan sa TNT. Proud ako sa iyo, Toy. Deserve mo yan. Deserve mo yan dahil nakita ko yung dedikasyon mo, sakripisyo mo para maabot mo ang iyong pangarap sa paglalaro ng basketball.
Tumagundong ang liga nang malipat sa Talk and Text franchise.
Castro, the rookie, will start the play here. 2 seconds, he'll look for the game winner. Ranadel for the win. Yes, sir!
Super pinadali niya yung basketball para sa akin kasi knowing RDO yung laro niya, di ba? Inside out. So lahat halos nasa kanya na eh. At the same time, yung basketball IQ niya para sa forward, napakataas.
The Talk and Text Tropan Texters are the champions of the KFC PBA Philippine Cup.
At agad kumuha ng kampiyonato sa kanyang unang conference taong 2008.
Campo, Rendel de Ocampo, when he was on the floor, he was very good, able to dominate the other big men.
Always been one of the glue guys over the years. Just a great, quiet leader. He proves it. He proves his worth every game, and he's something that I've always been grateful for. Just to be able to play with him and learn from him.
6 na kampiyonato. 2014 Governors Cup Best Player of the Conference, 2-time Finals MVP, 3-time Mythical First Team, at 9-time PBA All-Star. Ganyan ang alamat na inukit ni Ranidel de Ocampo para sa TNT franchise. Ngunit hindi lang sa TNT naging tapat ang batang Tanza Cavite. Nagsilbi at nagsakripisyo rin siya para sa Pilipinas Basket. 2 FIBA Asia Championship Silver Medal, 2014 FIBA Asia Cup Bronze Medal, 2003 SEA Games Gold, 3 ginto sa Siaka, at 3 medalya rin mula sa Jones Cup. Naging napakalaking instrumento rin ng kanyang nagampanan upang makabalik ang Pilipinas sa FIBA World Cup noong 2014.
Ranidel, 3 for the 3.
Kuya Del, saludo. Leader, on and off the court, very professional. Wala, saludo ako sa'yo.
Hindi na tayo naging teammates sa national team, naging magkapatid tayo. So maraming salamat sa sakripisyo mo sa national team, ito na rin sa PBA.
Ranidel for 3! Big shot!
Sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin, very honor ako na nakasama kita, and masaya ako na naging ka-teammate kita, and wala akong hinihiling kundi ang success sa buhay mo, sa pamilya mo.
Del,
congratulations sa iyong nakamit, and I'm very honored na witness ko ang maraming years dun sa iyong journey, and very thankful ako dun sa mga memories natin, sa lahat ng samahan natin through games and experiences off the court. Marami ako natutunan sa'yo na tinuturo ko rin sa aking mga anak at sa mga bata play, and I hope makakontinue pa tayo makabuild ng more memories together.
Randall, again, it's been years since you've played, but again, congrats on an amazing career. Grateful for you as a friend, as a teammate, and as a brother, man. I know there's nothing but great things ahead for you and your family, and I'm grateful to be able to witness it.
Congratulations sa jersey retirement mo, which is deserve mo yun. Kasi yun nga, para sa akin, isa ka sa mga pinaka-best forward sa PBA.
Randy Del Ocampo curries that three. Pamap ni Del fakes. Randy Del. Slow-mo drive. And basket is good.
Ngayong gabi, kinikilala at nagbibigay-pugay ang PBA kasama ang buong bayan na iyong pinagsilbihan. Salamat, Odor. Salamat, RDO. Mabuhay ka, Ranidel De Ocampo.
Angry Bird, Babyface Assassin, Part 2, Papa Bear, Big Breezy, Magic Mountain, Hodor. Ano to? Sino gawa nito?
And now we would like to call on center court PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall, PBA Chairman and TNT Governor Mr. Ricky Vargas, PBA Vice Chairman, SMC Sports Director, and Barangay Ginebra Team Governor Mr. Al Francis Chua, SMB Team Governor Mr. Robert Non, Meralco Team Governor Attorney William Pamintuan, NLEX Team Governor Mr. Ronald Dulatre, TNT Tropang 5G Team Manager Mr. Jojo Lastimosa, Jason Castro, Kelly Williams, Ryan Reyes, Al Vergara, Irvin Soto, and of course, the player we are honoring tonight, Mr. Ranidel De Ocampo. Together with his family members, his wife Diane, kids Madeleine, Stephanie, Ranidel Jr. and Francesca, together with his mother Lilia, Uncle Larry, and Auntie Pressy, his brother Roser, and sister Marife. Would also like to make a special mention to Mr. Pato Montfort, John Adrimasin, Roy Bilianes, Coach Gabby Velasco, and the fans club of Ranidel, Team RDO exclusive, and his agent, Mr. Charlie D. The PBA and TNT franchise will retire the number 33. No one will ever use this jersey number for the TNT Tropang 5G.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat po sa lalo na especially kay Commissioner Willie Marshall sa PBA at sa TNT Management kay Boss Ricky Vargas, kay Boss Jolas, tsaka kay Boss MVP. Kay Coach Chot, maraming salamat sa pag-retire ng jersey number ko na number 33 ng Token Text Tropang Texters. Maraming salamat, boss. At sa lahat po ng Board of Governors, maraming salamat po. Alam nyo, swerte po at bihira lang po nabibigyan ng ganitong recognition. Hindi ko nga maalala kung last si Asi, tapos hindi ko alam kung si Harvey, si Jimmy, tapos parang si Patrimonio yung huli kong naalalang binigyan nito. So, sobrang proud po ako at na-recognize po yung pangalan ko dito at na-retire po yung jersey ko dito sa Token Tex. At syempre, nagpapasalamat din ako sa lahat ng TNT fans, lahat ng PBA fans, sa Team RDO Exclusive. Ayan. Kahit na hindi na ako naglalaro, sinusuportahan nila ako. Ngayong nasa coaching na ako, nandiyan pa rin sila, sumusuporta. At kasama ko dito lahat ng mga kasama ko sa journey, sa aking career sa basketball. Sa lahat po ng naging coaches ko, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At isa pang pagiging proud ko po ay ang walang sawa pong pagsisilbi ko sa bayan nung ako'y naglalaro pa po ng basketball. At kahit ngayon, kung kaya ko pa maglaro, maglalaro pa rin ako sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Para lang po, ganun ko po kamahal ang ating bansa. So, patuloy po nating suportahan yung PBA at mahalin po natin yung sport sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, i-mention ko nga pala yung pamilya ko, yung wife ko, si Dayan. Alam nyo, very crucial po sa career ng isang basketball player ang kanyang partner. So, ito ang best teammate ko, the best teammate ko talaga. May teamwork kami. I love you, honey. Mamaya. Kung, kiss mo na. Yung kids ko, si Madeline, si Steph, si Daddy, si Francesca, yan yung inspirasyon ko. At yung nanay ko, salamat at napalaki niyo ako ng maayos. At sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak ko, mga teammate ko. At ano pa ba? Yun. Yun lamang po. Di ko na po patatagalin. Maraming salamat po. Keep supporting PBA.
And now we would like to call the TNT Tropang 5G to please join us on center court for a photo opportunity. And now would also like to invite the Meralco Bolts to please join us on center court for a photo. Muli, congratulations sa napakagandang career sa PBA at sa magagandang alaala na iniwan mo para sa lahat ng basketball fans. Maraming salamat, RDO!
Ranidel De Ocampo, what can you say about this man, RDO? Again, one of the best power forwards to ever play the game here in the Philippines.
And I love it that we all know that he played for TNT and what he has done in the PBA, but I love it. It was really very, very special mention in his speech was his time with Gilas Pilipinas.
Yeah.